Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back again to Tech Karan YouTube channel. As if you don't know, Android 12 is officially rolled out for a lot of devices, of course, as a custom ROM. And the thing is, we are using Android 12 AOSP based custom ROM, and most of the custom ROMs are without any features. For example, I'm using Arrow OS based on Android 12 for the Redmi Note 9 Pro, or you can say Mi Tool devices. It's not a device specific thing, by the way. The thing is, I'm going to share with you some things that if you are using Android 12 custom ROM without any kind of features, how you can get all those pixel features on your device. We're going to talk about all those things here in this video, so stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end, because you're gonna get a lot of things, a lot of information. But before going further, let me tell you one thing, that I'm using Arrow OS in Mi Tool devices, and if you want to install it on Mi Tool devices, and if you want to check out some things about this build, I made a specific dedicated video already on Arrow OS 12, Android 12 for the Mi Tool devices. You can check it out. It has all the Android 12 features, by the way, but it does not support some extra features. For example, Monet. The Monet is of course available in this build, but it's unofficial build. But some customs does not even support the Monet engine. If you don't know what about Monet engine, that's Material You theming in Android 12, and how to get that, I'm gonna share with you the thing. By the way, I made a specific video on that too on my Hindi channel, but I think so most of the users are not aware of that. So let's get started. Let's find out some things which you get here. For example, first of all, the customer which I'm using right now does not have any kind of bugs. Of course, not major bugs we are talking about. We are not talking about the minor bugs here. The device, my device is showing as Google Pixel 5, and yes, if you use this module, your device might also be spoofed to Google Pixel 5. The thing I just want to let you know that it supports L1. If you're a user who does not own Mi Tool device, Redmi Note 9 Pro, etc., you can skip the video. I'll try to provide the chapters there. You can skip to the main part, but right now I'm just gonna show you some bit of examples, some bit of things, features which you get in Mi Tool devices. For example, this one was DRM info. You can check out the L1 certificate. It's present there. I didn't even flash the firmware yet, but yes, it's there. So yes, if you want to use it. And the thing is, the performance was also quite good. That's why I'm using from past 3 days till now. The OS seems to be quite good. Of course, Android 12 is in initial stage, but still this much stability, that's quite insane. You can give it a try. Also, safety status matters a lot in any custom ROM, and so as this, you can see the safety status does not have any kind of issues. You can check it out. If you install this, SafeNet does not have any kind of issues. Of course, you need to hide matches from settings. If you don't want to root your device, SafeNet status should also be passed without root. But if you have rooted your device with Magisk latest version, you simply need to move on to the Magisk settings and click on hide Magisk, and you are good to go. Magisk SafeNet status will be passed, and you will be able to use banking apps on your device. I don't think so you'll face any kind of issues. Now here comes the main part, where I'm going to share with you some features. This is called Live Caption. Live Caption, it is not pre-installed in any Android 12 build right now. I'm just talking about the AOSP based. You get the Live Caption option. You also get the Live Caption in volume control. If you want to enable it, you can. Like this, you can enable or disable this directly option from here. And this is actually a Magisk module. This is available through a Magisk module, which I will provide you the link, of course, and I will try to provide the link for the Hindi video. You can check it out, that how you can install and else, including that thing. Let me show you one more thing. As if we move on here, this screenshot tile, you get the markup option, which means you'll be able to edit your screenshot. The features which you get in Android 12, everything is present here for you. Basically, if you're using AOSP ROM and you want to get the Pixel Android 12 features, you get that, and all thanks goes to their developers who made this possible to install this thing on your device. You can check it out. All the features are present for you. You can write the text on your images if you want to, draw something, change color, rubber, etc. Everything is here for you. Looks quite good, and some useful features are already present here. Of course, Android 12 has Material You theming, which means you can apply all those accent colors according to your wallpaper. So whichever wallpaper you have applied, the accent color will be automatically changed to that. Now here comes another interesting thing about this new Google Assistant. You can get this new Google Assistant. Looks quite good enough. In my thing, I don't think so you get this Google Assistant by default in other custom ROMs. Maybe there is a modified custom ROMs, there you get these options, but by default you don't get those. Of course, the ROM which I'm using right now, which is based on Android 12 AOSP, so yes, it does not contain these kind of features or extra things, but you can get all these features by installing just a simple Magisk module, which I've already shared with you. I think so it is not a big deal, and you can simply launch this Google Assistant by swiping from the corner of the left side or corner of the right side. Including that in we get the screenshot and select option. Of course, you get the Pixel Launcher pre-installed. I'm gonna share with you the Pixel Launcher also. Copy, share, search, every option is there for you. I think so this doesn't look that bad. It is actually looking quite good, I think so. Screenshot option is there, which is just working perfectly fine. I didn't got any kind of major bugs till now, but of course everything is up to you. If you're having any kind of issues, you can simply restore everything back. And here comes another very interesting thing: unlimited storage in storage saver or in storage saver quality. So yes, you can back up unlimited quantity of photos on your device on this Google Photos app. That's actually quite useful. I'm just not gonna talk about that thing much because that's little bit tricky. Here comes the Pixel Launcher, which is automatically pre-installed after install that module. Pixel Launcher, this is one of my favorite launchers. Maybe most of users always use Pixel Launcher on their devices, just because not of features but good stability and everything what you need in a custom launcher, it's already there. Notification dots, at a glance, everything which you get in Android 12 Pixel Launcher, everything is present here for you. I haven't tried anything else, but the things whichever I tried, those were working quite good. Always show keyboard and preferences, the new app drawer layout where you get the always show keyboard option in this search bar. You can enable or disable these things, everything is up to you. I think so this module looks quite good. By the way, video I made on that module was little bit old, maybe the module is now updated, so I will try to the updated module link already in the description, or you can check out my website. You can visit there, www.techcurrent.co.in. It's very easy, you can simply check it out. All those things are already present there with direct download links, you can check it out. I think so these were things, and this is last but not the least one of the major things. Android 12 has this kind of dark themed icons, app grid, everything is like that. And this wallpaper and style options, they have changed a lot. It was not available by default in Android 12 AOSP based ROMs, but yes, it is present here. You can customize the colors, you can enable the dark theme if you want to, themed icons which I have already applied, and if you don't like this, you can simply disable this. That's actually quite good. I think so these were some interesting things about this module and alongside with Android 12. So as if you're looking to install Android 12 custom ROM but lacking of features, or if you're not want to install because of some features or missing like wallpapers and styles etc., then you can install this build. You can install a custom ROM based on Android 12 which might be available for your device, as it is available for many of the devices right now. You can install the build, you can install this magic module called Extra Pixel. So as I always mentioned, all the credits goes to their respective developers. I think so this is all from today's short and simple video, and as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. I'm gonna come back very soon with other videos. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.